Hello everyone, this is RussTee. Today we're going to install our something. Stay tuned. You're gonna see later what we are going to install. Okay. Hello everyone, as you have been seeing in the intro of my video, I'm gonna install something today. And if you have read the title and you've seen the thumbnail of this video, you know what I'm going to install. So today we're gonna install something that Breezy Rider again sold me to. So today we're going to install an exhaust system. What exhaust system? You'll find out yourself by watching this video till the end. I suggest you to watch this video till the end. So I have a stock pipe sound test, so I'm gonna let you hear them right now. So here's the video. Sound test for the stock pipe. Forgive my dirty bike. So this is the sound of a cold start. So here's another angle for the sound test for the stock pipe. Forgive the noisy chickens. Alright, we're back. So before I'm gonna let you see how the installation goes, I'm gonna talk about the installation first. So here it is. So first, let me thank Breezy Rider once again for selling me his old full system exhaust. It is an Akrapovic replica. It has a very cool sound. I really love it. I love how it sounds. So if you have an SS250, so I suggest you to change the pipe. Yeah! Change the pipe! You'll love how the bike will sound if you change the pipe. Before we're going to proceed with the installation video, I'm gonna talk to you about the benefits of having a full system exhaust in your bike. So I have, I think, three benefits. So three major benefits I encountered after installing the full system exhaust. So let's start with the first one. The first one is your bike is gonna sound good. So hear this rev. Woo! Woo! Hear that sound? It's awesome! I'm quite enjoying it. Woo! So that is it. The sound of your bike is gonna sound better and much awesome. So I've configured this exhaust system to be not that loud, just enough, and then it's much bassier than the stock pipe, so you're gonna hear it later. The second benefit that I encountered upon installing this pipe is that you're gonna have some weight savings. So here are the stats. So for this stock pipe, I weighed it and it weighed approximately 5.3 kilograms. So that's how much weight the stock pipe has. And then for this full system exhaust that I bought from MnlRider, it's only about 2.2 kilograms. So that's approximately 3 kilograms of weight savings. Para hindi ka na mag-diet, para medyo bibilis motor mo, mabawasan mo na lang yung weight ng pipe mo. So that's the second benefit of having a full system exhaust. Aftermarket full system exhaust. So the third major benefit of having a full system exhaust is that your bike is gonna perform better because you are removing or somewhat removing the restriction on your exhaust end, because it's open. So it's much open now. The better your intake and the better your exhaust, the better power you will have. And then I'll give you a bonus benefit of having your exhaust system replaced is that your bike is gonna look a lot better depending on what exhaust system you're gonna have. That is it. So I guess I'm gonna show you the installation video now. So let's go back to RussTee on his workshop. Baboosh! So I'm done installing it, so let's do a sound test. Cold start. Sounds like stuff. How it is installed. So let's try removing this DB killer on this end. Okay, the DB killer is now removed on this end, but we have another DB killer installed inside here. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a DB killer there. So let's try this setup, see how this sounds. So it sounds much cooler now. How good is that? So I think I'm gonna run with this kind of setup. DB killer on this side, but no DB killer on this side. Let's try fixing everything up now. I think that is good enough for a sound test. I think that is good enough for a sound test. So babush, I'm gonna continue assembling. Alright, we're back. So we're gonna try our fourth gear pull here at this corner, after this corner. So here it goes. I hope you can see my GPS clearly. Let's start. Fourth gear pull. That was a nice speed pull. Woo! Some good backfires. That's my 5th gear top speed. I can't test my 6th gear top speed at this road because it's just short. We're gonna do some more tests soon, but for this time I'm gonna end my vlog here. So I hope you learned something from my video today, and thank you for watching. And if you like the video, hit thumbs up, and please consider subscribing on my channel if you want to see more of my stuff. So I guess that will be all for now. Peace out. Babush.